QL lithium electric wheel drill. This machine is convenient to carry and convenient to operate. Simple configuration, reasonable design, easy to locate in the right place. High drilling accuracy using empty drills. There is automatic watering function when drilling holes. Features a short operating time and low noise. The construction environment has been greatly optimized. Reel reels are an ideal tool for drilling holes in a short time.
Battery pack rated voltage. 36V battery pack rated capacity. 12 drilling range. 9.8 mm, 13.5 mm, 522 mm, 531 mm size. 515x 148x 390 mm, a system weight. 16.5 kilograms, including battery pack and fixture.